Good morning, dear students. We'll solve one more problem of income from business and profession. So, as we know that to solve this problem, income from business, we need to prepare three columns: source of income, inner column rupees, and outer column rupees. So, in this number one, income from business. Underline this, income from business. Okay, under this, net profit as per P&L account. Net profit as per P&L account. So the net profit given in the problem is 2,68,500 rupees. Now in this, add disallowed expenses. Add disallowed expenses. Okay, then, so which are the disallowed expenses? The disallowed expenses are interest on capital. So the interest on capital is 18,000 rupees. So we have written 18,000 interest on capital. Then income tax. Income tax is 12,000 rupees. Then life insurance premium, that is 6,000 rupees. Life insurance premium, that is 6,000 rupees. Then donations, it is 3,000 rupees. Then collection checks, collection charges, there is a charges for collecting, that is totally 150 rupees. Then household expenses, that is 30,000 rupees. Then repairs, 3,000 rupees. Municipal taxes, it is 4,500 rupees. Okay, so these all expenses are disallowed in this problem. So we will write that 76,650 rupees. 2,68,500 minus 76,650 rupees. So we are going to get 3,45,150 rupees. Now in this, less income exempted or taxable under separate head. Underline this, income exempted or taxable under separate head. So which are those? Let me tell you. Those are, in this problem, rent from property. Rent from property, it is 52,500 rupees. Next, dividend, it is 24,000. Next, interest on post office savings bank account, it is 3,000. Interest on post office savings bank account, it is 3,000. Next, agricultural income, agricultural income, it is 12,000. So the total is 91,500. Now 3,45,150 minus 91,500. We need to reduce in this. Okay, so the total we will get is 2,53,650 rupees. So this is income from business. Income from business. Okay, now let us go for the second head, which is given in the problem. The second head given in the problem is income from house property. Income from HP, house property. Okay, the income from house property we will write. It is given, that is gross annual value. Gross annual value given in the problem is 52,500 less municipal value. Okay, municipal value given in the problem is 4,500 rupees. So we will get 48,000. So this is net annual value. So this is net annual value. Once we have got net annual value, in this less allowable expenses under section 24, that is standard deduction. That is standard deduction. So how much is it? It is 48,000 into 30 divided by 100. Okay, so the deduction amount here is 14,400 rupees. So it is 33,600. So this is called as, this 33,600, this is called as, this amount is called as income from house property. Now total. So total of 2,53,650 plus 33,600. Right? We need to add this. So the total we will get is 2,87,250. 2,87,250 rupees. So this is called as GTI, gross total income. Now in this less deduction under section 80C. Okay, first we will reduce under 80C, that is life insurance premium. So I will write that life insurance premium. Okay. Life insurance premium, the amount here if you see, that is 6,000 rupees. Okay, so we will write that 6,000 rupees. Then next, less deduction under section 80G. So there is a donation of 3,000 rupees. So we will write as donation. Donation, it is 3,000 rupees. Now total deduction is 9,000 rupees. Total deduction we will get is 9,000 rupees. Now 2,87,250 in this less 9,000. So we will get 2,78,250 rupees. Okay, 2,78,250 rupees. So this 2,78,250 rupees what we have got, this is called as total income.